Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send private messages and chat in Zoom. Whether you're in a meeting and need to ask someone a quick question without interrupting, or you simply want to have a side conversation with a specific participant, knowing how to use Zoom's chat feature privately is incredibly useful. Let's walk through this together. First, open your Zoom app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and join a meeting. This could be any meeting you're hosting or participating in. The chat feature works the same way regardless. Now, once you're in the meeting, take a look at the bottom toolbar of your screen. This is where all your main controls are located during a Zoom session. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Chat. Click on this Chat button to open up the messaging panel. This is where you can view all messages sent during the meeting and where you'll compose your own. After clicking Chat, you'll notice a button that says New Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a fresh conversation window, allowing you to start a private message with someone specific rather than sending a message to everyone in the meeting. Next, you'll need to select who you want to message. Navigate to the field labeled to at the top of the chat window. Here, you can search for the person you want to chat with by typing their name. As you type, Zoom will display matching names from the meeting participants. Once you see the person's name appear, click on it to select them as your recipient. This ensures your message goes directly and privately to that individual. Now, you're ready to compose your message. In the text field provided, type whatever message you'd like to send. Take your time crafting your message. Whether it's a quick question, a comment, or any information you need to share privately. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, you have two options to send it. You can simply press Enter on your keyboard, which will immediately send the message. Alternatively, you can click the Enter to Send button located next to the text field. Both methods work perfectly, so choose whichever feels more natural to you. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a private message in Zoom, allowing you to communicate discreetly without disrupting the flow of the meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.